Hi, in front of me is XIAOMI Redmi 9 and today I would like to show you how you can operate App Permission Manager. Firstly, open Settings. Now scroll down and choose Apps. Go into Permissions and Permissions again. I will go for location, so I have to tap on it and choose an app. For example, phone. Over here, pick one of the options. Allow all the time, allow only while using the app, or deny. I will go with allow all the time, so when I go back, I can see that phone gained access to this device location. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!